Alright, we are trying to walk, but it's water everywhere. Max, are you alright? Blaine, how you doing? You're alright. Not many places for me to walk without stepping in literally half a foot of water. There's occasionally these high slopes, but mainly it's just It's just water, run, overfilled sidewalks. You can't even see where the street meets the sidewalk. So we're trying. Got my umbrella, but it's crazy. Okay, oh no, calm down. Oh, look. Come on. This car is getting flooded and I'm in the water. Okay. Look at that. Okay, oh.